So that's got to come off, which is another good reason why you want to take all the oil out of this thing. Right there's chunks, you can see it. Those shavings right there are going to be your rings. Yep, that's your rings right there. Wow, look at all the shavings in the oil filter there. They are just coming out. This filter was just changed in May of this year, so this ain't like it's been going on for a while. There's another piece of that ring. Holy crap. Yep, she's jacked. Putting everything back together. Got our pressure switches, temperature switch, magneto, all that's in there. Got our starter wires, ground lugs, battery cable, all that's in place. Got our servo control wire tied here to that loom right here. Those have a tendency sometimes to fall out. Popped it off there. Got her back to here. And just rotate it. Get it lined up. And there you go. It's back together. Everything's connected. There we go. First time. Haven't even started yet. Here we go. We've checked the battery, we've checked the battery charger, we checked the starting amps, we've checked the voltage and the frequency. All of them seem to be right on spec with where they should be at. So the only last thing I want to do is double check my oil level. You got to give it a second, let it drain down. These sometimes are very hard to read, which is why they got the double notches. It's just below the notch. We'll give it a little drink and then we'll call her happy. I just leave that there for the customer. Because it's an air-cooled motor, it will burn oil. You're supposed to check it every 24 hours. That's what the manual says. Nobody usually does. You don't want to shut down on low oil because damage could have already happened by that time. That's kind of a fail-safe. Look underneath, make sure no oil's draining out of the bottom of it. Does not appear to be. I'm going to wire tie these wires right there. There's that. Alright, if you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to check down in the description area down below. And I'd like to take this opportunity to thank all my subscribers. I really appreciate you guys taking the time to watch the videos. I try to make them worthwhile for you to watch. And if you would, I love comments, so feel free to leave something down below. Till next time, we'll catch you on the next one.